What is up guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to run a program to see if a given number is a prime number or not, and you will take that number from the user. So if anyone does not know what a prime number is, it's a number that is not divisible by any number except 1 and itself. Because if it is divisible by 1, the other part is the number itself. What we can do is go until the half of the number, because any number after the half of that, if the number is fully divisible, after the half of that number, it is not going to be divisible by any number. Example, if we take 30, 30 divided by 2 is 15. So any number after 15 cannot divide 30. If you divide it in half, the largest piece can be 15 and 15. Then it would be 16 and 14, but it is not divisible by it. So we have to always understand that. So I will take number is equal to int of input, enter a number, and once we get this, what we will try to do is let's get the largest factor is equal to integer of num divided by 2. The reason I did integer is because if I take number as 29, so 29 divided by 2 is going to be 14.5. So for I in range, let me type this again. So this is going to throw an error because we need an integer value over there. So I will do int of 29 by 2. This will give me 14. But if I use that in a for loop, it will go up until 14. So if I do 14, it will not print out 14. It will go up until. So we have to add 1. So it goes until 14. So I will add 1 for factors in range, and we already know it is going to be divisible by 1. So we will start with 2 and we will go until the largest factor, and let's print out the factors. So now it is asking for a number. Let's do 10, and now it goes until 5 because 6 cannot be divisible by 10. If it is, we already have gone through it from here. So we have the factors. Now what we need to do is take this number 10 and divide by each one of these numbers. So what I can do is create a flag, and its default value would be false. This will turn true when a number is fully divisible. Then it's not a prime number. How do we know if a number is fully divisible by any other number? We use the modulus operator. So if number mod factors is equal to 0, which means that it is completely divisible, then I will turn the flag as true and I will break out of this loop. So if it is true, that means that it is not a prime number. So if flag is equal to true, print it is not a prime number. And let's make it a little better. Num is not a prime number. And else so let's try to run this now. Flag is equal to false. So this is giving a warning because flag is written inside this for loop. So I will remove it and put it outside. So let's try for a number, and I will also show you what is happening. Before that, let's run it first. So enter a number 10. It should not be a prime number. Let's enter 13. That should be a prime number. 13 is a prime number. Let's put 17. 17 is a prime number. Let's put 43. 43 is a prime number. So I will show what is happening over here. Print mod factors is equal to 0 found. So I'm going to do this so you can see the whole progression. So let's go with a small number first, which would be 7. And here you will see 7 divided by 2 and 7 divided by 3. Let's do 29. So it is going through, let me bring this up. So it is checking 29 mod 2, 3, 4, it goes until 14 and it is not able to find it. Let's do 77. And you can see 77 mod 7 is found and it is not a prime number. Let's do 71. So 71 mod 33 and then it cannot find anything. So this is how you write a prime number program. In the next video, we will modify this to go from 1 to 71 and print all the prime numbers between 1 and 71. So there would be another for loop over here. I hope you enjoyed this. Prime numbers are always fun. It's a really good practice if you're trying to build out logic. And that is it from this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.